Need to fix Progressive Insurance app not working? Then in today's video, I'm going to show you the step-by-step process on how you can easily fix it. First thing first, move into the settings of a device. Once you're inside the settings, move into General. Scroll all the way down and head over to VPN and Device Management. Well, in this page, you will need to make sure that you are not connected to any of the VPN. If you have been connected, then simply disable it. Once done, now move into Safari. In the address bar, you need to search for Progressive Insurance Outage. You need to head over to the very first site. Wait for a while. In this page, you will be able to see whether the server of Progressive app is down or not. In case if the server is down, then all you can do is wait for the server to get fixed. Once done, now move into the App Store on your device. Once you're inside the App Store, in the address bar, you need to search for Progressive Insurance. Move into this app. Right here, instead of open, if you see the option of update, then all you gotta do is tap on update and update the app. Once you've got the updated version, now move into settings. Inside settings, you need to head over to General. Inside General, move into iPhone storage. Once the page has been loaded, search for the application Progressive Insurance. Once found, click on it. Tap on Offload App. And then once again click on Offload App. It will clear the cache and the storage of the application. It will also remove all of the unwanted bugs and make your application run smoothly. This should also fix the issue that you have been facing, and then you'll be good to go. So that's the end of the video. If this video helped you, give it a like and check out our next tutorial. Thank you.